We're back with breaking updates coming in. Subhanshu Shukla is likely to meet the Prime Minister at 7 LKM at 5 p.m. today. This comes after astronaut Subhanshu Shukla's return to India. Remember, he was accorded a very warm welcome at the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi as he arrived on Sunday with the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, the Union Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences Jitendra Singh and the ISRO Chairman Dr. V. Narayanan, among others, welcoming Subhanshu Shukla, who had been in the United States for a year-long training that was undertaken for the Axiom 4 mission. So now he has arrived in the country, and today there is also going to be a special mention of him in Lok Sabha. Apart from that, he will also be meeting the Prime Minister at 5 p.m. today. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, this is one interaction that everyone will be looking forward to. The Prime Minister, of course, did speak to Subhanshu Shukla while he was in space as well. Take us through the details of the meeting expected at 5 p.m. today.
Absolutely. Subhanshu Shukla will be meeting Prime Minister today at 5, is what we are given to understand, at his residence at 7 LKM. And this is a very significant meeting, considering that, the fact that Prime Minister has spoken to him before he went on to International Space Station on Axiom 4 mission. In fact, Prime Minister has categorically asked Mr. Shukla to jot down each and every small detail so that it can be very crucial, because this is very significant. Whatever the learning from him is from the International Space Station, he can obviously share it with the Space Ministry, and not just that, with the Prime Minister himself. And this is going to be very crucial as far as India's its own international space station is considered. Prime Minister said that we should at least have our own space station in the space as well. So we have not many plans as far as space exploration is concerned, and this is the reason why Mr. Shukla's meeting with Prime Minister assumes significance. He is going to be meeting Prime Minister today, and after that he is going to travel to his hometown. And he is expected to return to capital, to participate in National Space Day celebration on August 22-23, as we are given to understand by the ministry. He has received incredible love and support from everyone when he came back. But Prime Minister knows the importance of this stuff and the learning that he has, learned in the space station. And he himself has said that as per the Prime Minister's direction, he has jotted down every single detail that is crucial for our own space program. So, in a way, it is very significant and also very important. And he is going to receive a very warm welcome.
Absolutely. In fact, the Prime Minister had also mentioned him in his Independence Day speech. The Prime Minister had hailed the IAF Group Captain and Gaganyatri Subhanshu Shukla after his return from NASA's and ISRO's joint mission Axiom 4. Here's what the Prime Minister had said.
स्पेस सेक्टर का कमाल तो हर देशवासी देख रहा, गर्व से भर जा रहा, और हमारे ग्रुप कैप्टन शुभांशु शुक्ला स्पेस स्टेशन से लौट चुके हैं और आने वाले कुछ दिनों में वो भारत भी आ रहे हैं। हम स्पेस में भी अपने दम पर आत्मनिर्भर भारत गगनयान की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। हम अपने बलबूते पर हमारा अपना स्पेस स्टेशन बनाने की दिशा में हम काम कर रहे हैं। और पिछले दिनों स्पेस में जो रिफॉर्म किए गए, मुझे बहुत गर्व हो रहा है। मेरे देश के 300 से ज्यादा स्टार्टअप्स आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्पेस सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं, और उन 300 स्टार्टअप में हजारों नौजवान पूरे सामर्थ्य के साथ जुटे हैं। ये है मेरे देश के नौजवानों की ताकत, और ये है हमारे देश के नौजवानों के प्रति विश्वास।
And well, this interaction is one that everyone will be looking forward to, because Subhanshu Shukla carried with him a billion dreams. Well, that's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for watching.